Installation of roof. In the previous session, we learned to install the drainage system. In this session, we will learn to install the roof for the toilet. The roof serves as a protection from changing climates such as rain, wind, and blazing heat. At the end of this session, you will be able to install the roof for the toilet. As per our plan, the corrugated cement sheet for the roof will have a dimension of 105 by 250 centimeters. Before we go into the procedure, first let's take a look at the tools and materials. The tools are trowel, wooden float, straight edge, paintbrush for finishing, pencil, measuring tape, table or any height support. Scaffolding setup. The materials required are non-asbestos corrugated cement sheet, wooden planks, cement mortar in the ratio of 1:6, concrete bricks. We will now see the steps involved in installation of the roof. First, we will place the cement sheet on the slope. Take the non-asbestos cement sheet. Measure and mark a length of 30 centimeters from the edge at the bottom side of the sheet. This is the length the roof will extend out from the front side, and we will use this as reference while sliding the roof on top of the structure. Fix the scaffolding on both sides of the structure. Place a plank over the scaffold. Keep a table next to the structure. Place the cement sheet at a slanting position over the table. Now slowly bring the roof up to the top of the structure. Now keep sliding the sheet along the slope till the 30 centimeter mark that we made reaches one end of the slope. As you can see, the 30 centimeter mark is placed at the end of the roof. We will now place the sheet at the center of each of the two sides of the structure. For this, we will measure the total length of one side of the structure. Here the length is 14 centimeters. So we will place the sheet at a distance of 7 centimeters from the edge on both sides. We will now install the cement sheet on the slope with bricks and mortar. Pour water along the edges of the sheet. Apply cement mortar along the edges of the sheet and the slope. Then, place the bricks over the layer of cement mortar. Ensure that the mortar is applied, leaving some space at the edge for plastering. Pack the space between the bricks with cement mortar. Wet the layer of bricks with water. This will help in stronger adhesion. We will now plaster the sides of the bricks with wet mortar as shown. Smoothen the sides with a wooden float and trowel. Now, by placing the straight edge on the slope, finish with a paintbrush. Finally, finish with a trowel. We will now plaster the gap between the roof and the slope. Apply cement mortar in the gaps as shown. Smoothen the surface with trowel. Finally, finish the surface with a paintbrush. Repeat the same procedure on the other side of the roof as well. You have now completed erecting the roof for the toilet. With that, we have come to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned to install the roof for the toilet. In the next session, we will learn to install the door for the toilet.